Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can write a text on a piece in SolidWorks, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solvi Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the top plan, right click, normal to, right click, then sketch, okay? Then we go and you click on the center rectangle command. Starting from the center, I'm gonna draw a rectangle like this. I'm gonna use the smart dimension to add a dimension of 100 millimeter here. Then I'm gonna do the same thing here, 100 millimeter, okay? Then you click on OK. Then you exit the workbench. Then you go to features, then you click on extruded boss or base, then you add here instead of 10 millimeter, 20 millimeter, then you click on OK. Now you select the top face of the piece, right click, normal to, right click, then sketch, okay? Then you go to the line. Under the line you're gonna find center line command. You click on it, then you draw a center line like this, okay? Great. Next you go to the smart dimension. You add a constraint between this point and this edge. You add here 10 millimeter, and you do the same between this point and this edge, 10 millimeter. Then you click on OK. Then you exit the workbench, okay? Next you go to this command, call it text. Then you click on the center line. Then you add the text that you want. For example, in my case, I'm gonna go and add the name of this channel, the Solvi Engineer. Okay, and I click here so that the name starts from this point, okay? And I am using this option, center align, so that the text is in the middle of the center line. So if I click this option, left align, the text will take this position. If I click this option, the text will jump to this position. So I'm gonna use this option, center align, okay? Then I'm gonna uncheck this option, use document font, then I go to font. Then you can change the font of the text from Century Gothic to another font, okay? Then you can change also the size of the text from units to points. Then in this case, I'm gonna go and use the 14 size. Then click on OK. Then click OK again. Then I'm gonna exit the workbench. Then I'm gonna go to features, then extruded boss or base. I'm gonna click on this arrow. Then I'm gonna click on the sketch 2. Then I'm gonna change the value of the depth from 20 to 1 millimeter. Then hit enter, then click OK again. Okay, so as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can write a text on a piece in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.